So last year we moved into this new studio space and have slowly been working on renovating it and designing it to encompass what the Tectonic brand is. And not only from a client experience, but we also, as employees that are going to be in here day in and day out, wanted it not only to feel like a home, but a functional office space as well. This has been such a fun project for me to work on because not only do I get to choose finishes that I love, but also collaborate with our whole team on what works best for the Tectonic family. When we first looked at the space and we're considering, do we even want to move into this location, one of the things that we were really gravitated towards were the windows. Southern views, southern lights, just really letting all of the natural light coming into the space was really key for us, and we saw huge potential. There was some downsides that the space originally looked like a bowling alley. So by putting up some walls, contrary to what people would think that would enclose a space in, it did allow it to give it a little bit more life of encompassing our respective spaces and breaking up the long, narrow flow of what it was currently. Another aspect that I love is the tall ceilings. So we're looking at over 12 foot high ceilings, really giving it an industrial edge with the exposed concrete beams running throughout. With that industrial meeting organic modern, I thought it was just a beautiful design that we could, bring to the space and give it life it deserves. When you first enter in our space, you're going to come on our lobby or entryway, and this is really our client's first stop into who we are and what our brand represents. And what I love about the entry space is that, you obviously get a peek into our design library. And the design library is where the magic truly happens. Whoever you're working with, that designer is walking the clients through the samples. We're discussing mood boards, talking about spatial layout. Moving down from our design library, we head into our kitchen. And the kitchen is one of my favorite spots in the studio because of some of the sections that we've procured for it. It's gonna be an all black kitchen. We really wanted to make a huge statement here. From the pendants, from the hardware, the oak that's gonna be stained black, and then our countertops. Past our kitchen space, you go into what I like to call the atrium. We have a skylight in there, and it kind of fills the space up with light. Outside of the atrium area, we have got some flex office spaces and 2 bathrooms as well. And then next to the atrium, we have our conference room where clients are obviously coming to that space, trade partners, vendors, team meetings. Just another beautiful area for us to congregate. And then the last spot in our office is going to be our shop in the back. And that's where, a lot of our carpentry work is done, where we're housing your selections as a client. And a lot of the magic on the build side is going to be happening there. Tectonic Studio coming soon.